Hello, I'm Roo Reynolds, and this is my friend Nick.
Hi, Nick and
Alright, what do the pair of you do?
So, well, we both currently work for IBM, software developer, but in our spare time we have set up shewentofherownaccord.com, a site for a particular type of joke, Jamaica jokes. So, jokes of the sort, my wife went to the Caribbean.
Jamaica?
No, she went of her own accord. So it's a wonderful joke. It's a great pun-based joke. And for a while now, we've been, between us, trying to come up with the most contrived jokes of that sort between us.
We keep each other amused by sort of collecting these jokes and keeping I have a little notebook that I keep next to my bed. So whenever I think of a Jamaica joke, I write it down and I try and amuse Nick. We've been doing that for 2 or 3 years.
Yeah.
And then we decided it was time to let the internet have a go at it. So we created a blog. It probably took about a week of development to put something live out there. And we launched, just a few weeks ago now, we launched shewentofherownaccord.com.
Yep. So the site itself, it is a blog because it is just built on top of WordPress. But we've sort of done quite a lot of work to customise it to make it less obvious that it's a blog. So one of the neat things, because all the jokes are based on places and place names, that's a good point. At the moment we're restricting it to place names. We've taken the Google Maps API, so there's a nice Google map with markers for every single joke, so you can explore the jokes in sort of geographical sense.
So if you're going on holiday to Croatia, let's say, and you want to find out what are the jokes that I can amuse my wife with when I go to Croatia, then you can drag the map around and find those jokes. And currently it's a pretty big list. We've gone from a dozen or so that we had between us up to a couple of hundred now in the space of just a few weeks. One thing that I don't think has been announced formally yet is that we're working on an API, so you'll be able to query the world and find out, for this latitude, longitude, or for this country, what are the jokes that exist within that, and then you could start mashing it up with Fire Eagle or Twitter or whatever you want to do.
Yeah, that's only something like Doppler. You tell Doppler, I'm going to travel to this place. Doppler
Maybe it should suggest a joke for you.
Doppler could suggest some jokes for you. So it's all a lot of fun at the moment.
Who doesn't want a joke?
Who doesn't want a joke? So yeah, I think that's what the site is.
Fantastic. Thank you ever so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Goodbye.